Okay, so if you're new to Unity, if you're coming in from a 3D package or a CAD package or a designer and you want to work with augmented reality, this video is a quick overview of the Unity layout. And if you haven't installed Unity yet, the easiest way is to download the Unity Hub. You won't have any of these packages installed yet. And what you'll get is basically an empty screen here on the installs. You'll go ahead and hit Add. Now ARConnex works with Unity 2019.3 all the way up to the latest 2019.4, which is in its long-term service release. So you'll select the latest 2019.4 release. You'll click Next, and you want to ensure that you have the Android build support and the iOS build support. You'll click Next and you'll tell it where to save the application. And then you'll go to Projects and you'll hit New Project. And you can name it whatever you like. And then you'll end up in basically a new scene, which is sort of what we have right here in Unity.